Are you tired of struggling with heavy, stubborn luggage every time you travel? Say hello to the SwissGear Sion Softside Expandable Suitcase, your new ultimate travel companion. This isn't just another suitcase. It is built from ultra-durable, scuff-resistant polyester fabric that looks brand new even after multiple flights. With its 360-degree multi-directional spinner wheels, you will glide through crowded airports effortlessly. Need extra space for souvenirs? No problem. The suitcase expands to give you more packing room whenever you need it. Plus, the multiple front pockets keep your passport and travel essentials within easy reach. It is lightweight, incredibly tough, and designed to make your journey completely stress-free. Ready to upgrade your next vacation? Click the official Amazon link in the description below to check the current price and get yours today. Safe travels!